Aerial view of the Taj Mahal. The Taj Mahal, a masterpiece of Mughal architecture. Welcome to the Taj Mahal, one of the most iconic architectural marvels in the world. Situated in Agra, India, this UNESCO World Heritage Site is a symbol of eternal love and one of the finest examples of Mughal architecture, blending Indian, Persian, and Islamic styles. Historical portrait of Shah Jahan and Mumtaz Mahal. A love story in marble. The Taj Mahal was commissioned in 1632 by Emperor Shah Jahan in memory of his beloved wife, Mumtaz Mahal, who passed away during childbirth. This architectural masterpiece stands as a tribute to their undying love. Blueprints and historical sketches designed with precision. The chief architect, Ustad Ahmad Lahori, led a team of engineers, architects, and artisans to create this iconic structure. Its design incorporates symmetrical geometry, intricate ornamentation, and innovative engineering techniques. Construction scenes. An engineering marvel of the 17th century. The construction took over 22 years, involving more than 20,000 workers and craftsmen from India, Persia, the Ottoman Empire, and Europe. Materials were transported from across Asia, including white marble from Rajasthan and precious stones like jade from China and turquoise from Tibet. Close-up of the dome and minarets. The central dome and minarets. The Taj Mahal's central dome, standing at 73 meters, is its most striking feature. Flanked by 4 minarets, these towers are angled slightly outward, a design choice to prevent collapse onto the main structure in case of an earthquake. Intricate marble inlays and carvings. Exquisite craftsmanship. The monument is adorned with intricate inlay work using semi-precious stones such as lapis lazuli, carnelian, and jasper. The floral motifs and geometric patterns reflect the artisan's exceptional skill and attention to detail. Calligraphy. Details on the walls. Elegant calligraphy. Verses from the Quran are inscribed in black marble by master calligrapher Amanat Khan. The calligraphy is carefully scaled, ensuring it appears uniform from any angle or distance, a remarkable optical illusion. Wide shot of the reflecting pool. The Charbagh Gardens and Reflection Pool. The Taj Mahal is set within a sprawling Charbagh garden, designed to symbolize the 4 rivers of paradise. The central reflecting pool perfectly mirrors the monument, enhancing its visual symmetry. Detailed shots of interiors. The interior mausoleum inside, the cenotaphs of Shah Jahan and Mumtaz Mahal are intricately carved, surrounded by a lattice screen made from white marble. However, their actual graves lie in a lower crypt, as per Islamic tradition. Panoramic views at sunrise and sunset. A structure that changes with light. The Taj Mahal's appearance transforms throughout the day. At sunrise, it radiates a golden hue. Under the midday sun, it gleams white, and by moonlight, it glows with an ethereal blue. Modern preservation efforts. Preservation of a timeless icon. Over centuries, the Taj Mahal has faced challenges such as pollution and natural wear. Conservation efforts continue to ensure this monument remains a beacon of architectural excellence for future generations. Night view of the Taj Mahal under the moonlight. An inspiration to the world. The Taj Mahal has influenced architects and designers worldwide. Its harmony, precision, and artistry remain unparalleled, making it one of the greatest achievements in human history. Explore the wonders of architecture with Alvi Associates. Subscribe now for more in-depth insights into the world's greatest monument.